The architectural ethos, referred to as fine simplicity, articulates a sophisticated yet profoundly inviting methodology for modern habitation, achieving its most persuasive realization in the form of a mid-century tiny house saturated with the cultural warmth of Hygge. This residential concept serves as a phenomenal exercise in spatial compression, decisively demonstrating that genuine affluence is derived not from sheer square meterage, but rather from the high caliber and thoughtful deliberation applied to every corner of the dwelling. The entire schema masterfully integrates the graceful, unadorned contours and utilitarian integrity inherent to mid-century modern (MCM) design, a movement celebrated for its devotion to authentic materials and enduring visual power. With the deep, soul-restoring satisfaction epitomized by the Danish concept of Hygge, the resultant domestic atmosphere is one of effortless order that simultaneously feels profoundly sustaining, providing inhabitants with a personalized haven where every precisely chosen artifact and elemental design choice actively contributes to a pervasive sensation of holistic well-being. This calculated merger directly addresses the pervasive contemporary craving to escape overwhelming complexity and instead commit to an existence firmly rooted in genuine calm and personal authenticity. A primary source of the tiny house's powerful attraction lies in the way the MCM style's inherent characteristics are perfectly suited to facilitating highly efficient, compact-scale living. Mid-century modern, in its purest form, places paramount importance on structural legibility and the principle of furniture versatility, both being absolutely indispensable qualities when working within a dramatically reduced footprint. The typical furnishings often feature low profiles, delicate exposed legs, and distinctively sculpted forms, which collectively work to visually expand the area and prevent the intimate rooms from ever appearing visually cluttered or unduly weighted. For instance, classic components might include an elegantly streamlined cabinet designed to subtly manage storage while also presenting a surface for display, or a svelte, tapered leg seating unit engineered to ensure comfort without sacrificing precious floor space to unnecessary bulk. The deliberate and consistent deployment of rich, warm-hued natural hardwoods, particularly teak or American walnut signature materials of the mid-century epoch, infuses the structure with an innate, organic character and deep warmth that immediately resonates with the comforting, fundamental tenets of Hygge. Moreover, the characteristic inclusion of expansive, clean-lined windows in MCM construction performs a critical dual function. They dramatically maximize the influx of natural light, which is essential for mitigating emotional gloom, and they serve to elegantly frame the exterior landscape, thereby establishing an invaluable perceptual link between the sheltered interior and the peace of the natural world outside. While the robust and stylish MCM framework supplies the foundational structure and aesthetic direction, it is the deliberate, tactical application of Hygge-centric elements that profoundly transforms the structure from a mere building into a truly cherished personal home. The intrinsic minimalism or clean austerity of the mid-century look is consciously softened and enriched by the introduction of multiple layers of sensory, palpable comfort. This crucial step involves the generous incorporation of sumptuous textiles and vision, luxuriously chunky wool blankets casually draped across seating, soft sheepskin throws providing inviting warmth underfoot, and varied velvet or richly woven accent cushions presented in deep, earthen tones like copper, muted sage, and burnished gold. Furthermore, the overall lighting scheme is carefully managed to foster a sense of intimacy, intentionally avoiding harsh overhead light in favor of ambient and focused accent illumination. This is achieved through the use of dimmer controls, thoughtfully arranged groupings of flickering, fragrant candles, and aesthetically pleasing sculptural table lamps that cast a gentle, diffused glow